minus 2ab. Now apply the power rule. T plus t 5 by 5 minus 2t cube upon 3 plus c, and t here is cos of x, minus cos of x minus cos 5x upon 5 plus 2 by 3 cos cube x plus c, minus cos x minus cos 5x upon 5 plus 2 by 3 cos cube x. Integral of cos of 5x. सेम इसी मेथड से सॉल्व होगा. We can write cos as cos 4x into cos x, cos square x whole square into cos x. Instead of cos square we use 1 minus sin square x and put sin x as t. Here power of sin x is odd, m is odd, so we put cos x as t here. Now in the first step what we do, write sin cube as sin square x into sin x. Instead of sin square we use the identity 1 minus cos square x. Now put cos of x as t. Derivative of cos is minus sin x. Sin x dx as minus dt. 1 minus t square into t6. 1 minus t square into t6. Now open the brackets. Minus integral of t6 minus t8. Now apply the power rule here. N plus 1, 6 plus 1 is 7 and 8 plus 1 is 9. T here is cos of x minus cos 7x upon 7 plus cos 9x upon 9 plus c. Minus cos 7x upon 7 plus cos 9x upon 9 plus c. Next is integral of sin 5x cos x dx. Here the power of sin and cos both are odd, so we can put sin or cos as t, put sin x as t. After differentiating, derivative of sin is cos of x, dx is dt, t5 dt. Apply the power rule, n plus 1, 6 upon 6. And t here is sin. Sin 6x upon 6 plus c. Now let's start with another. Let's start with the next question. Question number 7. Integral of cos of 7x. Here the power of cos x is odd. First we write cos 7 as cos 6x into cos x. We can write 6 as 2 power 3 cos square x power 3. 2 into 3 is 6 into cos of x. Instead of cos square, use the identity 1 minus sin square x. Now put sin x as t. Derivative of sin is cos x dx is equals to dt. 1 minus t square cube whole cube dt. Now what is the formula for a minus b whole cube? That is equals to a cube minus b cube minus 3ab a minus b. A cube minus b cube minus 3a square b plus 3a b square. This is the formula for a minus b whole cube. Now we use this formula. A is 1a cube minus b cube t6 minus 3a square 1 ka square 1 into b plus 3a as it is b square t square square t4. Now apply the power rule here. Integral of 1 is t, 6 is t, 7 upon 7, 3t cube upon 3 plus 3t, 5 upon 5 plus c. And t here is sin of x. Sin x minus sin power 7 minus sin cube plus 3 by 5 sin power 5 x plus c. Sin x minus sin 7x upon 7 minus sin cube x plus 3 by 5 sin power 5 x plus c. Next one is integral of x cos cube x square sin of x square dx. X cos cube x square sin x square dx. Here we put x square as t first. Derivative of x square is 2x dx. X dx is dt upon 2. Cos cube t sin t. Here the power of sin and cos both are odd, so we put cos t as z. Because we already put the substitution as t, so we put it as z. Derivative of cos is minus sin t dt is equals to dz minus 1 by 2 z cube dz. Now the integral of z power 3 is, apply the power rule here, z4 upon 4 minus 1 by 2 z4 upon 4 plus c, and z here is cos of t cos 4t upon 8 and t is x square minus cos 4 x square upon 8 plus c. The next question is integral of sin power 7x. अभी हमने क्वेश्चन किया था इंटेग्रल ऑफ cos पावर 7x, क्वेश्चन नंबर 6. सेम मेथड से हम sin पावर 7x सॉल्व कर सकते हैं. राइट sin 7x, sin 6 into 6, then sin square x whole cube. And by substituting cos x as t, we can solve this question. Next is integral of sin cube cos of 5 x dx. Here the power of sin and cos both are odd, so we can put either sin x as t or cos x as t. Put cos x as t. Derivative of cos is minus sin x. Dx is dt. So we write sin cube as sin square x into sin x. We want one sin x here and other terms in the cos. So we write sin square x as 1 minus cos square x. Sin x cos 5x dx. Now put the values. We put cos of x as t, 1 minus t square minus dt sin x dx is minus dt into t5. Multiply it minus t5 minus t7. Apply the power rule here. N plus 1. 7 plus 7 upon 7 and t here is cos of x minus cos power 6x upon 6 plus cos power 7x upon 7 plus c minus cos 6x upon 6 plus cos 5 plus 2 7 plus 1 is 8. Cos 8x upon 8. Yes, in this question we can replace it by, we can make it tan or cot. We multiply and divide it by sine square. Sine 4 into 2 is sine square, 6 cos upon sine. 1 upon sine is cosec and cos upon sine is cot. Write cosec 6 as cosec square x square 4 into cosec square x dx. Now instead of cosec square x, we use the identity as 1 plus cot square x. 1 plus cot square x whole square into cosec square x dx upon cot square x. Now put cot of x as t. Differentiate. Derivative of cot is minus cosec square x dx. Derivative of cot is minus cosec square x dx. Now put these values. Cot x as t, 1 plus t square whole square minus dt upon t square. Open the brackets. A plus b whole square, a square plus b square plus 2ab and t square. Now what we have, t power minus 2 plus t square plus 2. Apply the power rule here. Minus t minus 2 plus 1 is minus 1. 2 plus 1 is 3. Integral of 1 is t. Substitute the value of t here. Minus minus plus 1 upon t minus t cube upon 3 minus 2t plus c. T here is cot of x. 1 upon cot x. Cot cube x upon 3 minus 2 cot x. And we can write 1 upon cot as 10. 10 of x minus cot cube x upon 3 minus 2 cot of x plus c. 10x minus cot cube x upon 3 minus 2 cot x plus c. Next one is integral of 1 upon sine cube x cos 5x. Yes. What will we do in this question? We have powers of sine and cos. If we add m plus n, that is my 8. And m plus n power is negative. So we divide. Sine power is 3. So we divide and multiply it by cos cube x. Sine upon cos is 10. Cos पावर ऐड हो जाएंगी 1 upon cos is sec. Write 1 sec square as it is and power 6 as sec square x cube. 2 into 3 is 6 and 6 plus 2 is 8 upon 10 cube x dx. Write sec square as 1 plus tan square x whole cube upon tan cube x dx. Now put the value tan x as t. Now put tan x as t. Differentiate it. Derivative of tan is sec square x dx is dt 1 plus t square cube dt upon t cube. Now apply the formula here. A plus b whole cube, a cube plus b cube plus 3ab a plus b, a cube plus b cube plus 3a square b plus 3a b square. Apply this formula. A is 1, b cube 2 square into 2 into 3 is 6, 3a square b, 3a is 1 b square, t square square is 4 upon t cube dt. Now t power minus 3 plus t3 plus 3 upon t plus 3t dt. Apply the power rule here. Minus 3 plus 1 is minus 2. 3 plus 1 is 4. Integral of 1 upon t is log of t plus 3t square upon 2 plus c. Minus 1 upon 2 t square. T is tan square x plus tan 4x upon 4, 3 log of tan x plus 3 tan